Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls have moved up in the International Netball Federation World Rankings published on Thursday. It's been over 10 years since Jamaica has been in the top 3 of world netball, despite grabbing the bronze medal at major championships such as the Netball World Cup and the Commonwealth Games. The Jamaicans wrestled third spot from 2018 Commonwealth champions England on the back of a 3-0 series win in Kingston. The Sunshine Girls capped a good 2018 with a silver medal finish at the Fast 5 series and a bronze medal performance at the Commonwealth Games. Netball Jamaica President Dr. Paula Daly Morris was naturally pleased.
Movement 1 up in the world ranking is, I would say, awesome news. We are elated to have made this move. We have been number 4 in the world for quite a long time, and so to have moved now is important to us.
And with the 2019 World Cup in England just 7 months away, the Netball Jamaica boss knows it will not be easy to play against the world's best.
Sunshine Girls are extremely happy. The board of Netball Jamaica, we are all grateful for the way they have played. This talented bunch of girls are going to be doing so much more for Jamaica, and we're just asking for a lot more support. They have a world champs coming up. Our prospects look really good, but we need to get there. Now, we have demonstrated the ability. Just help us, please.
The England Roses now occupy 4th spot, while Australia continue to lead the standings and New Zealand are now second. With just 1 rating point separating New Zealand, Jamaica and England, things couldn't be closer coming into a World Cup year.